Once they've reached their 5 feet in height, it's time for their graduation out of the nursery and into the real world. But first, one must consider the time of year. Tree planting is done in the spring and in the fall, when the trees are still dormant and when the ground isn't frozen. It's best not to disturb a tree in the summer when it's busy growing new leaves and new roots, or fighting off pests and diseases. Save planting for the off-season, when the tree is at rest. And come summer, when the tree wakes up, it can take stock of the roots it's lost during the planting process as well as the quality of the site. It's important to consider your site before you actually go out and plant the tree. Presqu'ile's geography is highly variable with many different habitats, from forests to meadows, sand dunes, and even a pan. There's no one single tree species that'll survive on all those habitats, but you can take a tree's preferences into consideration. Take, for instance, maple and white birch. They like moist, well-drained soils, while red oak and white pine like drier areas, but really don't do well in wet areas. No, you can save those swampy spots for white cedar, who don't mind having wet feet. Planting is dense, and this is to create competition amongst the trees, which encourages them to grow taller and not wider. This helps get their foliage out of the reach of hungry deer faster. If the tree has lost a lot of roots when it was dug up, some of its foliage will be pruned. If the tree has too many leaves and not enough roots, the tree can die of dehydration. This is because leaves are constantly sweating and respirating, and you need to have enough roots to water them.